When we receive an older piece like this Empire bookcase, I love to design a vignette around it. I like to show how to use an antique in a transitional or even modern setting. Too much of the same period of furniture and finish can leave a space feeling like it's missing something. So I started this eclectic look like I do many times with an Oriental rug. It adds color and movement, and it also just looks amazing with older pieces as well as modern furniture. Then I use some modern chairs, some tables and artwork to add texture and also show that the simplicity of the design of this bookcase can work nicely in this space. The accessories in the bookcase are streamlined in white, silver, and rustic wood to work with the cleaner lines of the modern furnishings, as well as to pop against that dark finish of the bookcase. I think this shows that you can just have fun, and if you love it, it will work, even if it seems like a mixed bag of items. Whether you inherit a piece like this or choose to purchase it for your home, it can and will open your space for creativity to step in.